To get started, first, press on the extension. You have many functions available in this extension. We will use extract states. As you can see, we extracted the data in this list. To extract more, simply scroll down. And the more you scroll down, the more you will extract. Then, press Add to Export List. Alternatively, you can use the auto function, which will auto-scroll for you and add the data to the list. Let's try it out. Once you're satisfied with the amount you extracted, press Stop. Now, to export this, press on the extension. Then press Export. You can export it in many different ways. I will export it as HTML. After exporting, here is all the information we extracted. Let's try one more function. Let's say we want to get the reviews of this hotel. So, let's press on it. Then, go to Reviews. Then press on the extension. As you can see, Extract Say Reviews is now available. Let's press on that. And again, to extract more, simply scroll down. Then press Add to Export List and go to the next page. Do this as many times as you like. And as a reminder, you can always use the auto function. Once you're done, press on the extension. Then press Export. After exporting, here is all the information we extracted.